Electronics and rider technology, display and connectivity. 5-inch full color. TFT display featuring Honda RoadSync. Smartphone connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, call control, and media playback. Throttle-by-wire. TBW. Features multiple selectable riding modes, sport, rain, standard, and customizable user mode. Handling and ergonomics, low center of gravity. Thanks to the engine cylinders canted heavily forward and the 3.8-gallon fuel tank tucked beneath the seat, the bike carries its approximately 493 pounds, 224 kilograms, remarkably low. Once rolling, it feels far lighter than its weight suggests on paper. Upright ergonomics, wide handlebars and neutral footpeg placement deliver a relaxed, upright posture.